Bon matin nuit. Aujourd'hui est juin le premier, un jour de et il y a 7 plus jours devant les examens.
Good morning. Today is Wednesday, June 1st, a day 2. Only 7 more days until exams.
In the cafeteria today is chicken bowl, yogurts, and smoothies.
Any grade 11 students that would be interested in doing video announcements next year, either in front or behind the camera, are asked to see Mr. Casey. This is a grade 12 credit and is open to anybody that might be interested.
The banquet tickets can be purchased from Miss Fitton or Mr. Legassi, and it's $15. It's open to everyone, so don't miss out on this great night.
If there's any students interested in working on the yearbook, you're asked to see Miss Fitton by the end of the week.
There's still a limited number of yearbooks available for a cost of $50. Just 50, not 55. $50 today. Please see Miss Fitton if interested.
There will be an open gym for basketball this Thursday from 3:15 till 4:30 for any interested students. Everyone is welcome. Come out and have some fun.
I heard that Noah's going to be there, so you want to be there shooting hoops with the big N. And there's a bottle drive this Saturday for the grads. Any grads who are able to help, please see Miss Fitton or Miss Connors. If you have any donations to make, they can be left at the upper gym doors, but don't leave them in the gym doors.
And in the weather today?
In the weather today, it's going to be sunny.
It's going to rain.
Thanks.
Have a great day, everybody.